The day has come for the special session of the Parliament and the stage is set. It has been announced that a total of 8 bills are on the agenda for discussion and approval during this parliamentary session. Among the subjects rumored to be addressed in this special session were the One Nation, One Election Bill and a proposal to rename India as Bharat.
First day, there will be discussion in the old Parliament on that is on 18th tomorrow. That is existing building. Parliamentary journey of 75 years starting from Samvidhan Sabha, achievement, experiment, experiences, memories and the learning, and entire day there will be discussion in both the houses.
The
separately.
legislative agenda of the session includes bills such as the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners' appointment, conditions of service and term of office bill, the post office bill, the advocates amendment bill and the press and registration of periodicals bill.
मैं चाहता हूं विपक्ष के लोग उसमें चर्चा में भाग लें, दुम दबाकर भागे ना, क्योंकि पहले जो पिछला सत्र हुआ उसमें अधिकतर दिन तो उन्होंने खराब किए थे बाइकआउट करके।
नाराज नहीं हूँ, अच्छा दिन पे जाना, नए जगह जाने में कोई गलत नहीं, लेकिन जाके देखेंगे। हमको किसी को नहीं दिखाया ना कि कैसे हैं हमारी हर रोज के जो एक्सपीरियंस है कैसे बदलेंगे, जाके देखेंगे।
Parliament has been called for a 5-day session when the winter session is going to be in November. There is no clarity on that, so everybody wanted to know why this session has been called for.
70 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के बाद एक नई वास्तु, नया संसद आज हम लोगों को मिलने जा रहा है, तो ये सभी के लिए गौरव का विषय होगा और हम सब लोगों ने एक नई सोच और नए विचार के साथ नए वास्तु में प्रवेश करना चाहिए।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected to initiate the discussion on the occasion of commemorating 75 years of India's parliament. The Lok Sabha session is likely to see the Prime Minister's presence, while BJP senior leader Piyush Goyal is expected to open the discussion in the Rajya Sabha. On Tuesday at 11 a.m., Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha members will gather in the Central Hall for a special function dedicated to celebrating the rich legacy of India's parliament and pledging to transform the nation into a developed entity by 2047. The event will include a photo session. Following this Central Hall function on Tuesday, the session will be relocated to the new Parliament building. A small puja ceremony may also take place, coinciding with Ganesh Chaturthi. In a symbolic gesture, Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar raised the national flag on the new Parliament building on Sunday. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla joined him for the event. Notably, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge were absent from this event. The Prime Minister, who recently turned 73, had a busy schedule, while Mr. Kharge and other Congress leaders were attending a session of the Working Committee in Hyderabad. During an all-party meeting held on Sunday evening, several regional parties, including Biju Janata Dal, led by Naveen Patnaik, and Bharat Rashtra Samiti, led by K. Chandrasekhar Rao, advocated for the introduction of the Women's Reservation Bill. The government had earlier announced the agenda for the special session, ending speculation about the possibility of a name change for the country or a bill on One Nation, One Election. The government defended its decision, stating that there is no tradition of disclosing the agenda of a special session, a move contested by the opposition. The special session of the Parliament recalls a similar event held when India completed 50 years of independence, marked by a midnight session convened on August 15, 1997.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.